Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva, and today I have another makeup tutorial for you guys, as you can already tell from the title and the thumbnail. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to start off with my brows, and this is my Got To Be Glued Brow Gel. I absolutely love this stuff. You could find it on Amazon. That's where I got mine. And I'm going to use it and comb through my brows like this, just to get them, you know, laying exactly how I want them. Sometimes I'll make it a little bit darker if I feel like it, but most times I really don't have to do anything to them besides this, what I'm doing now. Now I'm gonna go in with my multi-use sculpting concealer, and this one is from Too Faced. This is the one I'm gonna be using, and I'm gonna use this just to carve out my brows a little bit. My brows really don't need it, but I just love the look of it. This is the reason why I do it. Now I'm gonna go in on the top, and with the little concealer I had left on the back of my hand, I mixed it in with some foundation just to make it a little bit darker, because I like it to look darker on the top. Okay, so now that we're done with the brows, I'm gonna go in with the same concealer and I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid like that and just blend it out. And I got me a clean sponge today, because the last time I had a dirty one, and I know y'all were talking about it. Don't even try to tell me you weren't. Now I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty setting powder to set that concealer I just applied on my eyelid. Now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start off my lids using my Morphe bronzer. I like to use this when I'm gonna do my shadows. For some reason I feel like it just comes out so nice, and then again the shade will blend in with the bronzer when I apply it onto my nose. You ever have like an eyeshadow palette that you want to use, but all the shades you want to use is not in that one, so you gotta go to another one for another shade, or you know what I'm saying? That's kind of how I am right now. I have 5 palettes in front of me right now, but these are like the main 2 that I'm gonna go in next to find the shades that I need, because this one, it has the color but it's not like the shade that I want, and then this one also have the colors but it doesn't have all the shades that I want. I'm very picky right now because I know what I'm going for, and I'm trying to get what I'm going for. So we're gonna start off with this one right here. This one is from Blend Bunny Cosmetic, and I'm gonna go in with this orange shade right here. So I'm gonna start with that and apply it here and just blend it in like that. Next, I'm gonna go in with this one right here. It's also orange, it's lighter than this one, so I'm gonna go in with that one next, and I'm gonna go in the same area as the first one. Next, I want to use yellow, and you're probably saying, but Karen, that's yellow right there. But for some reason they look like the shade of yellow that I really want to use on camera, this one especially, but it's not. Looking at it right here, this is not what I want to use. So I'm gonna go into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. If you look here, this is the shade yellow that I want to go for, so that's what I'm gonna go with. A cut crease would be great right now, but I'm not gonna do a cut crease. I'm just gonna dab this yellow on right here, and hopefully it's pigmented enough to give me what I'm going for. And I'm not gonna take it too close in to the inner corner of my eyes, just because I want to add a different shade there. Y'all, I feel like I've been applying this yellow since yesterday, but nevertheless I really like the shade, and whatever work I got to put into getting it up there, that's what I'm doing. And I really like the way it looks right now. And remember I said that I was going to apply another shade on the inner corner? I gotta go to another palette. So I gotta go to this one. I absolutely love this one, the Warrior by Juvia's Place. Y'all don't see that. This is the shade that I want to apply next. Really love it. Like I said, I really love this palette right here. So I'm gonna go in with this lighter shade and apply it right here. Ooh, yes, that's what I'm talking about right there. Oof. I'm not done. I'm gonna keep applying it until I feel like I'm good. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I feel like I'm good with what I have on there now. And also, guys, don't be afraid to like wing it at the top. Just brush it in up there. I feel like it's a really nice look when you do it like that. I'm gonna actually use this palette since it's sitting in front of me, the same one, and I'm gonna use this dark shade right here, and I'm gonna apply that one on the outer corner right here because I want it to look darker than what it is right now. I'm not gonna bring it all the way in here. I'm just gonna keep it out here. Unfortunately, I lost a clip of me applying my foundation, so we're just gonna move on to concealer. Now I'm gonna go in with concealer, and I'm gonna be trying a different one today. This one is by Kevin Aucoin, so this is what I'm gonna be using. And I'm gonna use my brush to apply it on because, as you can see, it's in a little jar. So we're gonna just apply it right here. As for this concealer, a little bit goes a long way. This concealer really spreads, so you just want to use a little bit when you're using it. And I feel like that's even too much what I'm using, but we'll see. We're just gonna have to blend it out. I'm gonna also let it sit on my face and dry down a little bit. Just sit there for a little bit, not to dry, but just to sit a little bit. Alright, we're gonna do for it just a little bit like that. A little bit here and a little bit there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start blending out my concealer. Now I'm gonna go straight to setting my concealer, and I'm using my Huda Beauty setting powder again, which I was using earlier. I'm gonna go in now with my Morphe bronzer and warm up my face. I'm also gonna go in and contour my nose. This is something I like to do when I do my makeup. Not everybody do it, so if this is not for you, then you can skip this step. I'm gonna go in now with my translucent powder, and I'm just gonna apply it right here under my eyes. This is a step that you certainly can skip, but I like to do it because I like the look that it gives me right here under my eyes. So this is the reason why I do it. And I'm just gonna let it sit there for a few before I dust it off. Now I'm gonna go in with my sponge again, and I'm gonna just use it to push this powder in and blend it out just like so. Now I'm gonna go on top of that with my MAC Skin Finish powder, and this one is in the shade medium deep, and I'm gonna use a big fluffy brush, this one right here, to apply it, and I'm gonna apply it all over my face like so. Now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some highlighter, and this one is by Anastasia of Beverly Hills. So I'm not gonna do no blush today. I'm just gonna go straight in with some lip liner, and this one is by Kiss and it's called Ultra Easy. So let's do it. Now I'm gonna go in with lipstick, and this one is a soft matte lip cream by NYX. Let's see if I can show that to y'all right there. And the name of this one is called Tokyo. I like the pink color that it has to it, so that's what I'm gonna be using. Yeah, even though it's soft matte, I'm gonna be adding some lip gloss on it because I'm looking for sheen today. I need some sheen on my lip. I need it to be shiny. And I'm gonna blend the lip liner in with the lipstick in a few. So I'm gonna use this brush to blend them in together like that. It looks good. I do like the way it looks. I could leave it like that, but like I said, I want it to be glossy, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some lip gloss all over it. I like the way my skin look matted, and I don't want it to look shiny. I know the Rose Water Setting Spray by Maven Beauty is gonna give it a little bit of sheen. I like the way it set my face, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm gonna try this Rose Water Hydrating Mist from Magic Collection and see if this does the trick. You know what I mean? Let's see. Okay, so far I like how it look. I'm gonna go change into something cute, and I will be right back. And this is the finished look, you guys. Put my earrings on. You know what I'm saying? And I happened to find a shirt that goes perfectly well with my makeup. It wasn't even planned, but it happens sometimes. And this is a close-up look at the shadow, because I'm so feeling this look right now. I am so here for this look. I can't wait to hear what you guys think about it. I was not expecting it to turn out this beautiful as usual. I'm pretty sure somebody is saying that right now, because I always say that. That's because sometimes I underestimate, you know, my own skill, which I'm pretty sure a lot of us are guilty of that. Sometimes, you know, somebody have to tell us how good we are with certain things. I always underestimate myself when it comes to what I do, but I don't think it's a bad trait anyway. it just means that you're gonna try to be better each time. But anyway guys, if you enjoy watching this makeup tutorial as much as I enjoy making it for you, definitely leave me a comment and give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, we're at the end, and I just want to say thank you so much for tuning in again, and I will see you in the next one.